She wrote to me and said she couldn't believe it when she showed her son. She could actually see his eyes light up and him get it. On YouTube, there's a video that I did about homeschool parents. This is what your sons need you to know. This is what your boys need you to know. And I share this one scene from Captain America that is my go-to scene. I share it anytime I hear that you have a son right around the ages of 12, right around the age of 12, anywhere between 10 and 14. I share the scene with you because it is such a beautiful picture of what your son is going through from one side of the gauntlet, from skinny, scrawny, immature, beautifully innocent, possibly young boy to their future self as a man. But the scene is perfect because it has pain and excitement and people staring and a mom figure and a dad figure and pressure, and it gives such a beautiful backdrop to talk to your sons. So I'm going to encourage you to go watch that video. If you have a son between the ages of 10 and 14, go watch the video. It's changing people's ability to look at their son and go, oh, and I want that for you.